Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. How do you picture your business's cybersecurity? A little like locking the front door of your house? You use software updates, strong passwords, and firewalls to keep threats out. But what if someone inside the house is leaving the windows wide open? Many employees use their personal devices for work. If they have out-of-date software or weak passwords, it makes them a cybercriminal's dream. The fix? Education. Show your team how small habits like using unique passwords and secure devices can make a big difference. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. We can help turn your team into your business's strongest defense. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.